Welcome to video tutorial of mekanizmalar. I appreciate your continuing support and subscription to my channel. Water turbines are, in principle, very simple and efficient devices. But I always find pitch control of the Kaplan turbine blades, the spear rod control of the Pelton, and the wicket gate control of the Francis turbine very interesting. In this video, I am going to describe the working principle of the wicket gate linkage system. This might not be the 100% accurate descriptions, due to the fact that I never saw a Francis turbine, nor did I see wicket gates of this turbine up close. However, I believe it is close enough description for an engineering student, or a hobbyist to understand how the gates work. In my top view of a Francis turbine animation video, I described the wicket gates in very crude way. The wicket gates control the amount of water passing through the turbine. This in effect controls the power output of the turbine. If the power requirement in the grid is low, the wicket gates narrows the water passage, and reduces the power output, while preventing excessive water usage. On the other hand, if the demand for the electricity goes up, the gates are open, allowing more water pass through, thus increasing power output. As you can see here, each airfoil-shaped wicket gates connected to a central disc with two linkages. The outer linkage and the wicket gate are connected such that any rotation of the outer linkage is transferred to the wicket gate without any slippage. However, the connections at both ends of the inner linkage acts like a hinge. The center disc, where the inner linkages are attached, has ability to make rotation around the turbine center point. The rotation of this disc is controlled by two pairs of hydraulic cylinders in such a way that, when one cylinder is pushing, the other is pulling. Assuming that the red color is denoting high pressure oil, and the blue one is the low, we can see this pushing and pulling action in the animation. Notice that how the color pair is shifting when the rotation direction of the center disc change. You should also notice the clever way this rotation of the center disc transferred with linkage pair to the wicket gates. Combined effect is that the simple push and pulls action of two hydraulic cylinders opens or closes all the wicket gates. I find this system very interesting and hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you for visiting my channel and please rate this video to support us. I also appreciate if you subscribe to my channel.